For our 12th wish, may we call on the best friend of our debutant, Miss Cameron.
Cameron. John.
We've known each other since 2019, and since then, lots of things have changed. From the length of our hair to the mobile games we like to play together, the types of movies we watch at cinemas, the level of our maturity, and the paths we want to follow for the rest of our lives. But there's one thing that will remain constant, is the fact that we'll always have each other's back. Erica, thank you for staying with me through thick and thin. You've witnessed different phases of my life and heard all my secrets, but still you chose to never leave my side. You know you can always come back to my side when life gets a little tough. I hope adulthood treats you well and know that I will always be here silently supporting you. Happy birthday, bestie. Thank you for being the best fun I could ever have in this lifetime. I'm so proud of you and I love you forever and beyond.
For our 13th wish, may we